Understanding how and when fishes use different habitats is critical to informing management decisions, like designating protected areas, setting gear restrictions, or implementing seasonal closures. To do this, scientists are tagging fishes with an acoustic receiver network and tracking their movements across the Flower Garden Banks National Marine Sanctuary, which includes 17 natural banks on the outer continental shelf of the Gulf of Mexico. This network shows if fishes are spending time within banks at the habitat scale or across banks at the ecosystem scale. At the habitat scale, scientists are identifying core areas where fishes spend most of their time. For example, Atlantic creole fish, an abundant reef fish in the sanctuary, inhabit shallow reef crest habitats, while yellowmouth grouper, a data-deficient species, inhabit both shallow reef crests and deeper ledge habitats. Scientists can also use this approach to understand how habitat overlap with the invasive red lionfish may impact other fishes in the sanctuary. For instance, gray snapper, graysby, and red lionfish show similar core areas, but use these areas at different times, which may decrease competition for important resources. At the ecosystem scale, scientists are investigating movement pathways across the sanctuary for species like greater amberjack. For example, one greater amberjack showed limited movement and made repeated trips between 3 sanctuary banks. A second greater amberjack traveled more than 100 miles and was detected at 8 different sanctuary banks. Continued efforts to understand how fish populations are connected, both within and across the sanctuary, will help us better understand how these fishes are using the footprint of the newly expanded Flower Garden Banks National Marine Sanctuary, and in turn, help us manage these areas for the future.